Yo YouTube, what up? This is Super Bowl 43 Champs coming back at you with another box break. We got 2010 Topps Chrome. I have 2 more boxes to open after this. This is my second box being opened of the holiday season. First box was 2010 football. Got a okay. It's not really a good box, but oh well. Checklist. I think we're supposed to get, I don't know, maybe one rookie auto, I'm not sure though. Hold on a minute. I want to organize the rookies and base. As I already said, but I do have 2010 Press Pass and another box of 2010 football. Rob Gronkowski rookie refractor to 555, 1999, 555. Base. Whoops. I guess there's a rookie nerd pack. I think it's supposed to be looking for rookie autos a hit though, I'm not sure though. Brandon Spikes, rookie refractor, 167 and a 555. And a Ray Lewis refractor, not numbered. Sean Jackson refractor. Brandon Marshall. I guess it's kind of like a throwback. Rookie. Whoops. Aaron Hernandez, Colt McCoy, Renee Curran. Chris Johnson, refractor, X-Fractor, never mind. That's what those are. Whoops. There you go. Base. Base. There's gotta be a hit in here somewhere, I know that. Brandon LaFell, Myron Roll, Frank Gore, refractor, not numbered. And checklist. KO, I don't know how to say that. Carlos Dunlap refractor. Linval Joseph. Adrian Peterson throwback. I guess that's what you call a throwback rookie card. Current. Whoops. Matt Ryan, refractor. Marty Gilliard, Donovan McNabb. He got benched for the season. Hate the Redskins. Brandon Spikes, another refractor. Daryl Sharpton, another Adrian Peterson throwback. Tyson Alueli. The fuck? Charles Scott. Joseph Adai X-Fractor, not numbered. Alright, so we got a couple 4 packs left and some. Wow, that's stupid. They could have fit more packs in here if they didn't have the styrofoam. Whatever. I guess Topps is running out of stuff. Gotta be a hit somewhere. Donald Driver, Cedric Benson, Dominican Sue X-Fractor. Joe Webb rookie. Ed Dixon. Gotta be hit somewhere, I know that. I haven't had one yet. Brandon Gee. Emmanuel Sanders, the Beasley Steelers rookie. Kareem Jackson X-Fractor. Toby Gerhart. Rob Gronkowski. Alright, there has to be a hit in here or else I'm gonna be pissed. Topps is gonna get a phone call. Jonathan Crompton, Chris John. Oh, I was right. Armonte Edwards, rookie autograph. Pretty nice. I got a Jordan Shipley out of one of these boxes that I broke like a couple weeks ago. Not numbered. And a Jonathan Crompton X-Fractor. Okay, well, the next break will be 2010 football, even though I've already broken like 2 of those boxes. Then after that it will be 2010 Press Pass. So as of right now, Super Bowl 43 Champs is out.